Hello friends, this is the fourth video of higher education system, and once again I welcome you all and let us start. Midday Meal 1995. It is a school meal program of government designed to improve the nutritional status of school-age children nationwide. The program supplies free lunches on working days for children in primary and upper primary classes, class 1 to 8, in government aided, local body, education guarantee scheme, and alternate innovative education centers, madrasa, and maktabs supported under Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan and National Child Labour Project, schools run by the Ministry of Labour. It has helped in preventing classroom hunger, promoting school participation, and fostering social equality and enhancing gender equality. The cooking cost is shared between the center and state. Department of School Education and Literacy is working under the Ministry of Human Resource Development, and its mandate is to promote school education through various schemes and welfare programs. Mahila Samakhya Scheme 1986. महिला समाख्या प्रोग्राम इट वाज जिसे 1986 में वास्तव में नई एजुकेशन पॉलिसी के आने के बाद लॉन्च किया गया था. It was started in pursuance of the objectives enshrined in the National Policy on Education 1986 to initiate a program for the education and empowerment of women in rural areas, particularly those from socially and economically marginalized groups. सामाजिक और आर्थिक रूप से जो एक तरह से फांसी पर रहने वाला वर्ग है उसको शिक्षा के मुख्य धारा से जोड़ने के लिए ग्रामीण एरिया में महिला समाख्या स्कीम प्रारंभ की गई. द स्कीम इज करेंटली बीइंग इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन 11 स्टेट्स: आंध्र प्रदेश, आसाम, बिहार, झारखंड, कर्नाटका, केरला, गुजरात, उत्तर प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, मध्य प्रदेश एंड छत्तीसगढ़. सर्व शिक्षा अभियान SSA 2001. It is a centrally sponsored flagship scheme in accordance with Right to Education 2009 for providing universalization of elementary education UEE to children in the age group of 6 to 14 years of age. In addition, toolkit for master trainers in preparing teachers for inclusive education for children with special needs was also unveiled. The toolkit is part of the series of 5 training modules that will provide the teachers with practical information on the effective inclusion of children with special needs. The program got legal and constitutional backing after 86th Amendment, which made free and compulsory education to the children of 6 to 14 years age group a fundamental right. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan is being implemented in partnership with state governments to cover the entire country. Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya 2004. Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya scheme was introduced by the Government of India in August 2004, then integrated in the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan program. aim to provide educational facilities for girls belonging to scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, other backward classes, minority communities, and families below the poverty line in educationally backward blocks. The objective of Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya is to ensure that quality education is feasible and accessible to the girls of disadvantaged groups of society by setting up residential schools with boarding facilities at elementary level. It is opened in educationally backward blocks where the female rural literacy is below the national average to provide for residential upper primary schools for girls. Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan 2009. It was launched in 2009 for augmenting secondary school infrastructure. It aims to ensure gross enrollment ratio of 100% by 2017 and universal retention by 2020. Other major objectives of the Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan are to raise the minimum level of education to class 10 and universalize access to secondary education, to ensure good quality secondary education with focus on science, mathematics, and English, and to reduce the gender, social, and regional gaps in enrollments, dropouts, and improving retention, to make sure that the secondary school conform to prescribed norms, removing gender, socioeconomic, and disability barriers, etc. Sakshar Bharat Mission 2009. Sakshar Bharat program aims to impart education to illiterate adults. Sakshar Bharat Mission was launched in September 2009 by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh for female literacy on International Literacy Day 8 सितंबर 2009 in New Delhi. याद रखने की जरूरत है कि अंतर्राष्ट्रीय साक्षरता दिवस 8 सितंबर को मनाया जाता है. This is a centrally sponsored scheme under the aegis of Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. Tithi Bhojan 2014. Human Resource Development Minister has announced its decision to introduce the practice of Tithi Bhojan as a part of the midday meal scheme. Tithi Bhojan was first successfully implemented in Gujarat and will now be replicated across the country. It seeks to involve the members of the community in the effort to provide nutritious and healthy food to the children. The members of the community may contribute, sponsor either utensils or food on special occasions, festivals. This is completely voluntary, and the people in the community may contribute food items supplementary to the midday already being provided like sweet, namkeen or sprouts. Greater participation and involvement of religious and charitable institutions is also being promoted. Swachh Bharat Swachh Vidyalaya 2014. Swachh Vidyalaya initiative to provide separate toilets for boys and girls in all government schools within a year on 15th August 2014. Ministry of Human Resource Development, Department of School Education and Literacy worked intensively to mobilize corporate support in this national mission and launched the Swachh Bharat Swachh Vidyalaya campaign. The Swachh Vidyalaya initiative was a collaborative effort of all the central government, which provided funding through centrally sponsored schemes of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan, Swachh Bharat Course and the states and union territories in partnership with 64 public sector undertakings and 11 private corporates. Swachh Vidyalaya was also recognized as one of the priority programs for Prime Minister's Excellence Award for 2016. Union Human Resource Development Ministry to fund the Swachh Vidyalaya Clean School campaign via the Swachh Bharat Course. Centre will set up Swachh Bharat Course to fund the Swachh Bharat Clean India campaign. HRD Ministry will anchor the Swachh Vidyalaya Clean School drive. Campaign purpose is to make sure the facility of toilets in all government schools by August 15, 2015. Swachh Vidyalaya campaign is part of mission to make India a clean country by 2019, the 150th birth anniversary year of Mahatma Gandhi. Know Your College 2014. The portal Know Your College allows a student to view details of courses, laboratories, faculty, library, availability of hostels, status of ombudsman, and anti-ragging facilities available in the college. Under this program, students across the country will be able to make informed choices on the colleges they want to choose for their higher education through a one-stop portal with details of every college on it. Ministry of Human Resource and Development launched initiative which will benefit the education system of the country. Pragati 2014. It is a scholarship scheme for girls pursuing technical education at college level. Pragati scholarship has launched by government from the year 14-15. The salient features of the Pragati scholarship are number of scholarship per annum 4,000. Girl per family whose family income is less than 6 lakhs per annum. Pragati scheme. The candidates will be selected on merit at the qualifying examination. The candidate should have been admitted to first year of the degree or diploma program in any of the AICTE approved institute during the academic year 14-15 through centralized admission process of the state central government. Amount of scholarship tuition fees of Rs 30,000 are at actual, whichever is less, and 2,000 per month for 10 months as a incidental each year. Don't confuse with proactive governance and timely implementation. Pragati Platform 2015. Pragati है proactive governance and timely implementation. Governance and timely implementation platform. Pragati, don't confuse with Pragati. Pragati is a multi-purpose and multi-modal platform aimed at addressing grievances of common man. It also aims at simultaneously monitoring and reviewing important union government programs and projects as well as projects flagged by state government. Pragati scholarship scheme is different and Pragati platform is different. पढ़े भारत बढ़े भारत 2014. Padhe Bharat Badhe Bharat was launched in 2014 with a twin track approach focusing on language and math, early reading and writing with comprehension, early reading and writing with comprehension to improve language development by creating an enduring interest in reading and writing with comprehensions. Early mathematics to create a natural and positive interest in mathematics related to their physical and social world. Thus, the program seeks to improve reading, writing, and maths skill of children. Thanks. In the next video, we will start from Unnat Bharat Abhiyan.